Yo, what's up? Welcome sa aking channel. Ngayon ay gagawa natin ng reaction video. Ito pong performance ni Nene Royal ng Zombie sa America's Got Talent. Sobrang trending po to. Panoorin po natin kung bakit to trending. Curious na rin po ako dito. Simulan na po natin ang ating reaction video. Now let's do this.
Hello, how are you? What is your name?
My name's Nene.
Nene
How old
pala.
are you? Where are you from?
I'm from Phuket, Thailand.
Thailand.
Oh, my favorite place! My favorite place.
I'm 15 years old, and tomorrow's my birthday, so I'll be 16.
Oh, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Tell us a little bit about yourself.
I started playing guitar since I was 7, and my biggest dreams is like I really want to be a superstar on tour.
Yes.
Mhm.
Have you ever been on a stage like AGT?
Like this is the biggest stage
So
for
it's
my
the
life.
first time that you're in a stage like this.
Yes.
Are you a little bit nervous?
I'm very nervous a little bit, but it's my dream to be AGT.
Grabe nung batang-bata siya natuto mag-gitara at syempre bata pa rin siya, 16 years old. No, na nag-ano siya rito, nag-audition siya rito sa America's Got Talent.
Who did you came with?
So today I came with my father. He's very supporting me.
How sweet.
Okay, we're ready for you. Go ahead.
Thank you.
Okay. Ako zombie to, paano kayang version niya dito, no? Oh, sheesh! Ayop! Grabe! Rock and roll! What the? What the F? Grabe scream niya, no? Rock and roll, man! Lupit! Ang angas! Wow!
But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting. With their ties and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. Sing with me, come on. What's in your head? In your head.
Goosebumps, man!
Zombie,
Grabe!
what's in your head? In your head.
Ang galing niya!
Zombie, zombie, yeah.
Wow!
What's in your
What the F? In fairness, parang mas magaling pa siya mag-scream kay Emily ng Linkin Park, no? Yung bagong vocalist. Sorry, no? Pero na-compare ko lang. Ang galing ng scream niya. At ang galing niya nga mag-gitara. Grabe to si Nene. Nene Royal, you're so good. You're so talented. And your vocal prowess is so amazing. Super amazing. Woo! Rock and roll! What a performance. Man. She's so good.
Nene, that was spectacular. You have a
Super.
big chance to do really good in this competition. I loved it, Howie.
You are such a surprise in the energy and the rock and roll. You are a rock star, young
Yes.
Mel,
unexpected no, yung itsura niya parang parang hindi gagawa ng ganong ano performance. Lalo yung outfit niya 'no, hindi pang rock and roll pero nung nagsimula na siyang mag-scream na siya saka maggitara, wala na, game over na. Sobrang tindi nito ni Nene.
You're only 15, you've got really good vocal control, and you can kill it on the guitar. You're like a match made in heaven. You're brilliant.
Ang husay niya, ang galing niya.
Your tone of your voice, it was like really authentic, and even the fact it was all a bit messy actually made, for me, the audition really good. Really good.
We're gonna vote. Howie? Yes!
Sa akin golden buzzer 'to kung tutuusin.
Yes, 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 all the way. Yes.
Thank you.
Simon?
100% yes.
Thank you.
Solid nun, galing niya.
4 yeses.
Wow. So good. What an amazing performance, Nene. Nako. Maraming kakainin to si Nene sa industriya. Ang husay niya.
That was unexpected.
Ayun no, ang masasabi ko lang dito kay Nene, sobrang nakakagulat talaga. That was really unexpected yung ganung performance niya. Sobrang galing. Yun nga yung nasabi ko kanina no. Wala sa itsura niya, wala sa aura niya, wala sa suot niya. Yung ganong katinding performance na nag-i-scream siya. Nabanggit ko pa nga no, nakumpara ko pa siya kay Emily, yung bagong vocalista ng Linkin Park. Na para mas mahusay pa mag-scream itong si Nene kay Emily ng Linkin Park. Kung hindi niyo po alam yung Linkin Park ngayon no, research nyo na lang po bago na po vocalist ng Linkin Park, yung babae na po no. I-compare nyo po no, pero para sa akin parang mas magaling pa to si Nene mag-scream. Sobrang tindi rin talaga ng aura nito ni Nene no, na parang hindi mo aakalain na ganun yung kanyang gagawin. Pati yung paggigitara niya sobrang tindi. Kaya pala sabi ko nga kanina no, sobrang bata niya natuto maggitara no, mula 7 years old. Pero ganito na siya kagaling maggitara. Sobrang solid noon, Nene. At yun, sa tingin ko marami pong magiging gig to pagtapos itong America's Got Talent. At syempre, baka manalo pa to si Nene. Para sa akin, malaki yung potential niyang manalo dito sa America's Got Talent. Dahil bukod sa kakaiba po yung talent niya, at mahirap po yun mahirap po yung nag-i-scream. Talent po talaga yan, talagang pinag-aaralan yung pag-scream. Hindi po madali yun. Masakit sa lalamunan niya kung tutuusin. At talaga yung paggigitara niya, sobrang solid talaga. Maraming salamat kung nakaabot kayo hanggang dito at huwag niyong kalilimutan na mag-subscribe dito po sa ating channel. Huwag niyo rin kalilimutan sana na mag-like sa ating video, malaking tulong po yan. Ingat po kayo lahat. God bless and peace out. Bye!